The Border Security Force said Thursday that it had confiscated 11 Pakistani fishing boats in Harami Nalla Creek in Gujarat's Bhuj. The BSF reported on February 9 that Pakistani fishing boats and fishermen had entered the area around Harami Nalla. 11 Pakistani fishing boats were confiscated overnight, the BSF claimed. BSF drones noticed the Pakistani vessels. The BSF also sent its specialist unit of Creek Crocodile Comandos to the Harami Nalla region near the India-Pakistan border. 3 additional Pakistani boats were confiscated on Thursday as part of the search operation that began on Wednesday afternoon in Harami Nalla, Bhuj, Gujarat. Commandos are closing in, they said. The severe marshy environment, mangroves and tidal seas have made the soldiers' mission tough. A major search is underway. According to a senior BSF officer, the operation had lasted over 30 hours. No Pakistani fishermen would be able to escape, the official said. From an Indian Air Force helicopter, our Stream Crocodile Commandos searched for hidden fishermen in Bhuj's Creek. The Commandos are a part of a BSF squad that patrols and operates in the Rann of Kutch stream section, he claimed. GS Malik, IPS, IG BSF Gujarat Frontier, is personally overseeing the enormous search effort. Indian Journal is now available on your App Store. Download the app now and get all the impactful news on the go. Subscribe Indian Journal to stay updated with the latest news.